Hey everyone, welcome back to Keep Loadings. Today we're breaking down a very important topic for new and aspiring hotshot drivers: non-CDL hotshot versus CDL hotshot. Which one is better? What's the real difference in earnings, rules, and investment? Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more trucking updates and dispatching tips. Both are hotshot operations, using a pickup truck and gooseneck trailer to haul time-sensitive freight like equipment, parts, and construction materials. The main difference is weight and licensing. Non-CDL, hotshot, truck plus trailer combined. GVWR stays under 26,001 pounds. You only need a regular driver's license. CDL, hotshot, over 26,000 pounds. You need a Class A commercial driver's license. Non-CDL is easier to start with, better fuel economy, and easier maneuvering. CDL opens the door to heavier freight and stronger earnings. Non-CDL advantages: quick and cheaper to get started. Lower investment, great for local and regional runs. Can even run part-time. Non-CDL disadvantages: strict weight limits, easy to get overweight fines. Fewer high-paying loads, harder to scale the business long-term. CDL advantages: higher earning potential, $70,000 to $120,000 plus per year possible. Access to way more loads. Better for serious full-time business. Opens more opportunities in trucking. CDL disadvantages: CDL training and testing required. More rules, paperwork, and monthly costs. Higher insurance and compliance burden. My honest advice from Keep Loadings: if you're a beginner with limited budget, start with non-CDL, gain experience, then upgrade to CDL later. But if you're serious about building a real hotshot business long-term, go straight for CDL. It gives you more flexibility and better income. Pro tips: 1. Always hunt for direct shippers instead of relying only on brokers. 2. Get strong commercial insurance, minimum $750,000 to $1 million liability. 3. Check load boards like DAT and Truck Stop daily. 4. Confirm your state's specific rules. Some states have extra requirements, so both ways you can run hotshot. The right choice depends on your goals, budget, and commitment level. Drop a comment below. Are you running non-CDL or planning to get your CDL? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Keep Loadings. Turn on notifications so you never miss freight market updates and dispatching strategies. Stay safe out there, keep those loads moving.